Hello everyone, this is the Cost and Management Accounting 3 program of BCom. Subject is Commerce, semester is the 5th semester, University is the Bangalore University, and the session is the 60th session. In this session of operating costing, we will be looking into the preparation of operating cost statement. Recap. In the previous session, we have prepared operating cost statement for the service industry. Learning objective. The learning objective of this session is to understand the concept of operating costing. Operating costing is the method used for ascertaining the cost of a service. It refers to the techniques and process used for determining the cost per unit of service rendered. We'll also be able to solve problems relating to operating cost in this session. Session outcomes. The study will enable the students to understand operating costing and the price to be charged for the services to be provided in transport industry through preparing operating cost statements. Now we come to the problem. Suresh Logistics Company, having a fleet of trucks, undertakes to carry waste material. They have the following capacity vehicles. Number of vehicles, capacity. Number of vehicles 40, capacity 5 tons. Number of vehicles 20, capacity 4 tons. Number of vehicles 50, capacity 3 tons. On an average, each vehicle makes 5 trips a day, and in each trip covers an average distance of 5 km each. The truck carries only 75% of its capacity. 20% of the vehicles are laid up for repairs every day. Following charges are incurred during the month. The charges: salary of supervisor rupees 2000, salary each of 3 foremen rupees 1200, wages each of 110 drivers rupees 2000, wages each of 220 cleaners rupees 1000, consumable stores rupees 1,60,000, petrol rupees 6 lakh, replacement of tires rupees 60,000, carriage rent rupees 30,000, electricity charges rupees 10,000, other expenses rupees 1,20,000, lubricants rupees 1,40,000. During the month, old tubes and tires were sold for rupees 3,000. Assuming 30 days in a month, calculate the cost per ton kilometer for conveying waste. In this problem, they have given the number of vehicles and their capacity. Also, they have provided other information relating to the various charges incurred during the month. From the above information, we have been asked to calculate the cost per ton kilometer for conveying waste. Now we come to the solution. Suresh Logistics operating cost statement. In this, the total ton kilometer per month is 1,93,500. For the calculation of this, we have made a working note. Number of vehicles into capacity used into distance into trips into availability into days. 40 into 5 plus 20 into 4 plus 50 into 3 into 75 by 100, that is 75% of its capacity, into 5 kilometer into 5 into 80 by 100 into 30. So it is 1,93,500 ton kilometer. As 20% of the trucks are laid up for repairs, only 80% of the vehicles are available to carry waste materials. So 80 by 100. The total ton kilometer is 1,93,500 ton kilometer. Total ton kilometer per month is 1,93,500. Now we come to the other charges. Fixed charges. Salary supervisor 2,000. Salary foreman 1,200 into 3, 3,600. Wages 2,000 into 110, 2,20,000. Cleaners 1,000 into 220, 2,20,000. Consumable stores 1,60,000. Carriage rent 30,000. Electricity charges 10,000. Other expenses 1,20,000. So it is 7,65,600 minus sale of old tires 3,000. So the total fixed expenses 7,62,600. So fixed expenses per ton kilometer is 7,62,600 divided by 1,93,500. That is 3.941. Now we take the variable charges. Replacement of tires, rupees 60,000 divided by 1,93,500. So this is replacement of tires, 0.310. Lubricants, rupees 1,40,000 divided by 1,93,500 is 0.724. Petrol, rupees 6 lakh divided by 1,93,500 is 3.100. So the operating cost per ton kilometer is 8.076. In this problem, we had been asked to calculate the operating cost per ton kilometer. The information given was number of vehicles and their capacity was given, the number of trips, the distance they covered, their capacity, and the percentage of vehicles laid up for repairs. Various information relating to the charges incurred during the month were given, and we were asked to calculate the cost per ton kilometer. So we have, with the help of a working note, total ton kilometer per month. For this, we have made a working note, that is 1,93,500 ton kilometer we had calculated. Then we had taken the various fixed charges. The various fixed charges, the total expenses were 7,62,600. So the cost per ton kilometer was 3.941. Then we have taken the variable charges: replacement of tires, lubricants, petrol, and after that we have come to the operating cost per ton kilometer, that is 8.076. So with this, I'd like to conclude this session of operating cost. Thank you.